Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Kumar Dattatre Bhagat and today is 9th of February 2022 and it's my original video. So our today's topic is access specifier in Java. So before going to our today's topic, what is meant by access specifier? Access specifier means uh, as it names tells access means till then means where to give access till where to give access to the uh, different codes or whatever we are doing. It is called as access specifier. So in Java there are different access specifiers. So access specifiers are given for means to telling whether it is limit or till where it is having limit for our coding or block of statement. So there are different access specifier. So first one is private, second one is public, third one is protected, and fourth one is default. These are the four access specifiers in Java. So first one, that is private access specifier. The private access specifier is having the access within the class only. Within the class only means if we are creating one class in our package, then the when we use the private access specifier, then it will be only visible means the access for that within that class only the methods, the constructor, whatever we are doing, or we are creating a fields in our in our block, then the access of that all methods, classes, constructor, methods, whatever we are doing is till that class only. It is called as private access specifier. Then there is next one, that is a default. The default access specifier means the access is within the package only. Within the package only. The outside the package it doesn't have access means whatever we are creating within the package is all access when we are using default keyword. And if we are not using the any access specifier, then it is said as it is a default access specifier. Means the whatever we are doing is access only within that package. So then again next one is a protected access specifier. The protected access specifier, in protected access specifier, it is used it is used within the uh, package, but by using a child class or by inheriting it we can use outside the package also. That is called as protected access specifier. But without creating without inheriting the properties we can't use the protected access specifier. This is about protected access specifier. Then our next one is public access specifier. In when we are using the public access specifier, at that time we are having access whatever we are creating means we are creating a method, constructor, or defining different variables, or we are creating a methods, objects, that everything is it is having access to each and every class. If we create a different class, then we are having access to that. And if we are creating a different class and we have to call one method in another class, then it is if we are having public class, at that time we can give access. That is called as public access specifier. So this is all access specifiers. These access specifiers are used to limit our methods, constructors, or whatever we are defining objects, we are creating objects. So for that, for everything that we are using a different access specifier. So that we have learned, that is first one is public, which is which is having access to everyone, that is outside the class, inside the class, outside the class, inside the class, inside the package we are having access. Then we are using a private is having access to within within that class only. And for protected we are having access within that package, and if we are inheriting it we are having outside the package. If we are inheriting it class, or we can saying as if it is having a child class. And default access specifier is within the package. If we don't If we don't define the access specifier, then we are having the default access specifier, that is it is having access to within that package. So that is all about access specifier. Thank you.